Okay, so I decided to make sure that it cracked only halfway, but it's actually cracked all the way down. If you bring the camera and show, so this is basically the whole rock, and you can see so up to here, that's the only way it finished. The drill where it stopped, but it cracked all the way down. There's a way more rock underneath, but it's actually cracked just enough. What we'll do, we'll probably crack it in half. So that's it. All right, so Dexpan works fine. And I can see the crack right here too, which is nice.